How to create an Amazon account. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll be teaching you guys on creating an Amazon account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open your preferred web browser and then type in amazon.com in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then this will take you to the official website of Amazon, from where you need to locate the account and the list option in the top right corner of the screen. And there you will find the sign in option, and just below it you will find the new customer start here option. Click on start here, and this will take you to a whole new interface, from where you need to first enter the correct form of your first and your last name, then enter the mobile number or the email address you would like your Amazon account to be associated with. After that, enter at least 6 characters long password, then re-enter the password in this field and click on verify email. Before that, you have to solve this puzzle just simply for the verification and to protect your account. So click on start puzzle and solve it. And congratulations, you are now able to create a new account in Amazon. So this was all about it. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.